I think that the decision that we saw today to uphold the Muslim ban is something that we should see as a direct threat to our values as American people. We are a country made up of immigrants, made up of refugees, made up of people from different religious backgrounds. So I see this decision as the fruition of sort of the rhetoric we saw coming out of this administration, whether that's Islamophobia, whether that's anti-immigrant sentiment.
The fact that today's Supreme Court ruling just coming out, a tremendous success, a tremendous victory for the American people and for our Constitution. This is a great victory for our Constitution. We have to be tough, and we have to be safe, and we have to be secure.
Right now, right here, right here.